Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could download and install the Microsoft Net Framework 4.5.2. To begin, open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. As a next step, you want to click on search bar and you want to type Net Framework 4.5.2 and hit enter. As a next step, click on Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2. Scroll down, select the language, and then click download. It's 66 mega file and the download should begin. Once the download completed, open the download file, right click and select Run as Administrator. The user account control panel will appear and it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You can go ahead and click yes. And then the installation process will begin and it will take 1 to 2 minutes. You'll be prompted to restart your computer accordingly. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.